Welcome back to the Texas Speed YouTube channel. My name is Andre, and today we're doing the TORQSTORM blower on our Chevy Silverado Sweepstakes truck.
I think it would be better if you were like, here in my garage.
Here in my garage, just bought this new Lamborghini here.
TORQSTORM provides actually a really nice installation guide. So let's get cracking. Oh, there's a nut on there. I'm used to the BMWs where you could just like pop them off. Alrighty. I haven't used these tools before, but of course the 10 is missing. Here we go. Actually, if you have a nice precious car, the ideal thing to do would be get one of our nice little covers here. And they'll give you 10x entries on this truck too. I have decent mechanical skills. And I feel like this would be a great like DIY thing for everyone to experiment. I would definitely suggest an extra hand. Look at that, we're making awesome progress. Next, let's make sure that's underneath there. F this clip up already, god damn it. Just throw that in there. Let's get the bracket on. I think the bracket will fit past the coolant pipe here. There we go. That's in. Okay, that should be good. All right, back she goes. Oh, dinner is served. So I was talking to my buddy Drayson, who owns Mead Motorsports, and he tunes one of my cars, which is a Turbo LS X5M, which I believe is the only one in the world that's Turbo LS swap. But he's gonna be doing a little base tune on this, and with stock fuel system, literally just as the truck sits, we should see probably a little over 300 wheel with the Supercharger kit, maybe 350. They start tapping out on fuel on the stock injectors around 350 wheel. If we could double the horsepower just with a simple bolt-on, that would be pretty awesome to see. What do you think? That would be pretty badass. It's weird working on cars without any music. Can you beatbox for me? See, it's a good thing we got these covers. Protect your car from getting scratched. Would you mind holding this right here? I wish I had a third hand. Oh, oh, oh. It's all right. Got this. I'm gonna do a nice glove change. Oh. Brady, you're making me look like a fool. Okay, Supercharger going on. Let's take a look at these instructions. Psh, we're good, we don't need them. Oh, there's coolant there. Oh, actually I may need the instructions. Nah, we're good. There you go. Look at that. I think that lines up with all the holes. I should have grabbed the bolts. We are in business. This charge pipe is just gonna be temporary. We have a Huron Speed intercooler coming, so all this is gonna get redone. We wouldn't suggest not running an intercooler. You always wanna keep those IATs down, especially in a boosted car, because you do not wanna grenade your motor. Okay. All right, so we got the charge pipe on. It was a little bit of a tough battle. It was trying to fight us here, but we managed to clock the Supercharger a little bit so everything fits nice and tidy. I'm gonna go ahead and start the car. Truck, you know what I mean. That's like a totally different truck. Holy crap, that sounds great. I'm waiting for a baseline tune here so we can run the blower setup. Once we get the tune, we're gonna flash it and then take it for a little drive, and we'll show you some in-car footage with that. All right guys, so we got the Supercharger on. Drayson sent me a base file. We're gonna go cruise around a little bit. I can't really get on it too much, but I can give you guys a nice little sound clip of how the Supercharger sounds. So let's go for a quick ride. Oh my God, that is insane. Oh my. That sounds so good. This thing with a cam and the built motor is gonna be in, like, I honestly can't even imagine. I'm also excited to see what the draggy data is gonna be on it. Because it's funny, I put the wheels on and I actually shaved half a second off.
Quarter mile.
Even just like not being able to really beat on it just because this is a bass tune, I still feel like a little bit more response. For the price tag, you can't beat it. I'm really curious to see what it puts down on the dyno, because if it can double the horsepower, that's like a no-brainer to buy. Make sure, if you want to win this truck, go to our website, texas-speed.com. Every dollar spent is one entry. If you buy our merch or shop equipment, that's 10x. And honestly, this thing with a supercharger, total game changer. So, like, comment, subscribe. Stay tuned for our next episode. We're gonna get some draggy data, some new dyno numbers, and take this thing for a badass spin. Let's go.